Reflections. One property of all waves is that they can be reflected from surfaces. Therefore, sound waves can be reflected. Reflection is like bouncing a ball off a wall. When a wave is reflected, the wave behaves like the ball. The only difference is that a wave is not affected by gravity. A sound wave traveling towards a wall will hit the wall and come back. Sound waves reflect best from large, smooth, flat surfaces. Surfaces such as glass, tiles, flat metal, and smooth concrete give good reflections of sound. If you stand between two flat walls, you can hear the reflection from sound. You can do this in an empty room. When you clap your hands, you hear a strange effect on the sound. An effect on a sound means the sound is changed. The sound of the clap seems to last longer than usual, then fade away. Clapping your hands makes a sound wave. The sound wave will travel away from your hands in all directions. When the sound wave hits a wall, it is reflected back. The reflection of a sound wave is called an echo. Useful echoes. Echoes can be useful. Bats use echoes to find insects for food. The bat makes a sound. The sound wave reflects off the insect. There is an echo. The bat can work out where the insect is from the time taken for the echo to reach the bat and the direction the echo comes from. Boats can use echoes to find the depth of water under the boat. A sound is sent from the bottom of the boat. The sound travels through the water and reflects off the solid ground. The echo comes back to the boat. The time taken for the echo to come back can be used to work out the depth. Notice that the distance traveled by the sound is double the distance from the object making the sound to the reflecting surface. The sound has to travel from the object to the reflecting surface and back again. You can see this in the picture of the bat and insect, and in the picture of the boat. Echoes can also be used to make images from inside the body. Sounds sent into the mother's body echo back out of her body. This method is used to make the image of the unborn baby. Unwanted echoes. Sometimes echoes are unwanted. For example, when recording music, echoes change the sound. A musical note that is played once will repeat with an echo. This effect will spoil the recording. A room with large flat walls would give many echoes. The picture on the left shows how the walls of a room are changed to stop echoes. This room can now be used to record music without the effect of echoes. In a theater, the audience needs to hear the voices of people on the stage. If there were echoes in a theater, the voices would not be clear. Theaters are designed to stop echoes. Theaters usually have no large flat surfaces that could cause echoes.
What is an echo? Which surfaces reflect sound best? What do bats use echoes for? How do boats use echoes? What happens to sound in a room with flat walls? Why are theaters designed to stop echoes? What is affected by echoes in music recording? What is the effect of clapping in an empty room? What is the role of echoes in ultrasound? What is the main cause of echoes? What do echoes help bats determine? How does sound travel in water for boats? What is the effect of echoes in a theatre? What is the purpose of soundproofing rooms? What is the effect of echoes on a musical note? How do echoes affect sound in a... What is the role of echoes in sonar? What is the effect of echoes in an empty room? What is the purpose of echoes in navigation? What is the effect of echoes on sound clarity?